Welcome to this tutorial on how to save and edit PDF revision history in C#. How's it going, guys? Welcome to this tutorial on how to save and edit PDF revision history using IronPDF. To get started, open your NuGet package manager. Make sure that you have IronPDF installed. As you can see, I've already installed it. So let's go ahead and dive into our program CS file. This is a console application, and we're going to walk through the code step by step. First, we set up our IronPDF license. For the sake of this video, I've closed this section, but ensure that you have your license key set up properly. We start by importing a PDF file and enabling change tracking. This means any changes made to the PDF will be tracked for revision history. So here's how it works. We load the PDF file located at the f:/annual_census.pdf and enable tracking. Next, we sign the PDF using the digital signature from a PFX file. We can add it after doing some changes in the PDF file as well if we want. This ensures the document's integrity and authenticity, of course. We then save the current state of the PDF as a new revision. This new version is saved as annual_census_2.pdf at a specified location. This step helps us keep track of different versions of the document. To see how many revisions our PDF has, we check the RevisionCount property. This tells us the total number of revisions saved so far, and we print it on the console. Finally, we can roll back to any previous revision. In this example, we roll back to the very first revision of the PDF. We then save this rolled back version as annual_census_reverted.pdf. So let's go ahead and run the project. And it executed successfully, making all the changes and saving the revisions as intended. You can see the revision count as well on the console. So let's take a look at the revised PDF files. Here's the first one with the digital signature. As you can see, this PDF has a signature we applied. This ensures that the document is signed and secure. Now let's check out the revised revision. This is the original state of the document before any changes were made. And boom. There you have it. We've successfully saved and edited the PDF revision history using IronPDF. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site, continue and download to install the package, and experience the power of software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.